Hi, I'm Tiki Bar Sam, and we are in Sam's Tiki Bar. And what are we going to make today? Today, I'm going to make a drink named after Coach Jerry McNamara. I'm calling it the Jerry McNamara Margarita because he just became the new head coach of the Syracuse basketball team. So congratulations to him. And I live here in Syracuse, so why not? So, what's in it? I'll tell you what's in it. The first thing that's in it is 2 ounces of Tequila Blanco, or any white tequila that you prefer. So let's get some 2 ounces of tequila in there. Starts off any good margarita. There we go. What else are we going to put in there? We're going to put in 1 ounce of triple sec. So here's my triple sec. We're going to put in 1 ounce of triple sec. Here we go. Right in there. Now let's put in 1 ounce of lime juice. So here we have our lime juice. I'm going to put in 1 ounce of lime juice. Then we're going to put in about an ounce, half ounce of simple syrup. It's more of an eyeball thing. There, boom, done. There we go, we did that. And what I'm going to use is about 1.5 tablespoons of orange Gatorade. Why not? I was going to use Tang, but they have orange Gatorade. So then, I know he likes to win. And maybe he also likes, hydration. So that's what we're going to do. So let's put that in here. 1 big thing of Gatorade powder. Put on the top of this thing. Now we have to shake it. Feels pretty cold to me. So here we go. Comes right off. And I'm going to strain it into a rocks glass. Let's see if it's orange. It is orange. Yes! Exactly what I wanted. Then, I'm going to top it off with some blue Curaçao. Blue Curaçao is blue. And so then the Syracuse colors are orange and blue. So I thought, why not put some blue on it as I get the cap off. Just a little bit. Not going crazy. Hey, there we go. All right. Excellent. Now we got to try it. Let's see what it tastes like. Not bad. Wow. I like it. This is fun. Who knew that you could put Gatorade in a margarita? I thought of it. It's orange. I wanted an orange margarita. Ba-boom. Hey, what movie am I going to recommend? The Three Amigos. Why not? This is really good. Look, and it's orange and blue. The blue went to the bottom. Wow. Try making the Jerry McNamara Margarita because I asked you to, I guess. So, this is Tiki Bar Sam wishing you a happy Friday and a great weekend and enjoy your day. Okay.